Quick little recap today for another day trading number 2 in the Express accounts with Topstep. I have 2 funded accounts that I'm trading. Today's profit was about $564, $282 per account. We're trading 2 accounts. Today was just absolutely perfect. Even before the market opened, I took a short position. Why did I take a short position? Well, because look at the, this is going to be the NQ. Look at the NQ in the area that we're in. We're continuing to have these lower highs in this hourly. We came into this area. We tried to pop on this and then completely failed. So I ended up shorting in here a little bit. I believe I took a little bit of profit and then I re-shorted it again for this move down. Absolutely perfect. And then we waited to the end of the day and then took this little buy setup right here into this 5-minute pivot for target number 2. So perfect trading today. We did leave some on the table, but I'm really not going to worry about that. Where else can you make around $600 relatively easy? So let's show the executions here real quick. Here is going to be the first entry, which is pre-market. We ended up taking some profit right in there. And then we ended up re-shorting and then taking majority of the profits in this candle here. Okay, actually, I take that back. I traded this 3 times today. Took majority of the profits, only had 2 contracts right in here. Waited for the first sell setup here on the 5-minute and then took that all the way down into the 22.010 area and then took this trade at the end. These are all textbook trades. And again, why did I short here? I just explained it. We're very top heavy. We're in an area where the hourly chart is starting to break down. It tried to make a new high, retesting these highs. Particularly, you can see this on a smaller time frame. And then as soon as we could not make another high here, boom, we flushed. Why did I short this sell setup right here? Well, everybody, look at this bar here. Everybody that got short here, it just went without you. So a lot of people didn't get an opportunity. Could you have shorted maybe like I did? Maybe. Could you have shorted under this green bar? Maybe. But the probability of someone that really didn't have their mind set on a short when the market opened missed all of this. And then guess what happens? All the people that miss it, as soon as you get a pullback, they sell. It happens over and over again. Don't be trying to catch the bottom down here. Don't be saying, oh, where can I go along? No, you wait for the pullback, wait for some green, and then wait for everybody else to jump on the train. And that's exactly what they did. And I mean, the executions here were just perfect. I'll show you on a 1-minute chart here. Okay. So here was the first setup that we sold. Sold majority of it here. Like you said, we probably left half on the table, but I'm not concerned about it. It was absolutely perfect. We got kind of nicked out of this, kind of cheated a little bit, but really not a big deal. Then we waited for the bottom here, try to make a bottom, came up here, and then when you when you try to make 2 highs here and you fail, you can take the next sell setup. This is a sell setup. You came down again, retested this pivot, you came up and you failed, and this right here, see this red bar right here? Under this red bar, under this tail, and we took targets right in this area, okay? Then we sat around, did nothing else, and then look at this. End of the day, beautiful little pullback onto minor support. Waited for this little red bar to get some sellers coming in to see if we're going to push lower. It didn't. Entered in right over that, and then exited right at the top here. Beautiful execution. If you don't understand what I'm doing and can't look at the charts in the perspective that I'm looking at it, it's going to be very difficult for you to make money. It really is. And I think it's so important that, again, I've been trading since 2018 to understand the language of charts, understand how things behave. And then you can amplify your trading through psychology and through everything else and understanding how things move and why they move. So really a great day today. Really happy with my performance, 10 out of 10. So day 2 is in the books. Let's see how we can finish out this week and see how far we can get to. So take care. We'll see you tomorrow.